Hello beautiful people of the world, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia for those that don't know. If you're new here, please subscribe and thank you so much for joining. If you are not new here, then thank you. Please guys, subscribe to this channel, comment, like and share. Also guys, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. So as you guys can tell from the title, this is a review on the Helix black shoes that I got from Ego Official. I did do a haul on the Ego shoes, so please guys go ahead and check that out. But in this video, I am particularly focusing on the Helix black ones, these ones here. Okay. Now, I got mine size 5, which are my size, but I've got wide feet, so I don't know what to say about these shoes. I love them. I honestly do love them. I love them. They're just very simple, but I don't know if I'm wearing it right, or if I don't know. Well, obviously you're gonna think, well, how else are you meant to wear it? I don't know my feet. I don't know if anyone else has these, but if you do have these, please comment down below if you kind of struggle with these, like as in these bits come off when you're walking. I've only worn them once. In my last video I was trying them on, so I couldn't really give you a review on if they're comfortable or not. But yeah, it's not that they're not comfortable, it's just when you're walking, it's like my feet will slip out, and it's like my feet will be in here, and my feet will be in here, my toes and everything, and then it's like when you're walking, my feet will just slip out. And I don't know if it's because anyway, I'm gonna do a voiceover in this video also guys, just to show you what I mean. So let's see. So guys, I'm not sure if the strap is supposed to sit like that or a tad higher, but my foot slides out quite easily. And I know it'll be so embarrassing if this was to happen like whilst I'm out doing hot girl. I've only worn these once, and that was to take pictures, but I hope you like get my frustration, like you get my slight frustration with the strap and how easily my foot slides out. It's actually really annoying. So as you guys saw, they're not uncomfortable. I would still advise you to go and purchase a pair of those, because obviously as you can see, you can wear them with absolutely anything and everything. You can even wear them to work, brunch, dining, whatever it is that you do, you can wear them too. So they are the perfect type of shoes if you're not trying to overdo it. Those are the perfect shoes. But I just don't know if anyone else has experienced what I've experienced, so please comment down below. And that's it guys, thank you so much for joining me today guys. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate watching me. I really appreciate the fact that you've subscribed. I really also appreciate the fact that you've gone ahead and followed me on Instagram. But if you haven't subscribed guys, press that button, press the bell for notification guys. Thank you for showing me love. I appreciate all of you guys, and I love you. Thank you.